this is quite the wrong perception. Quite a number of voices in the US are accusing China of challenging the US in various realms, economically, technologically, and militarily, and the authorities also proposed the goal of outcompeting China. Such wrong perceptions towards China have caused the US to adopt negative attitudes and measures, which has been the main reason for the tense situation between the two countries in recent years. For China, the most important agenda is to sustain development. The country has always cherished what it has achieved since its reform and opening up in 1978, as well as the happy livelihoods that came along with it. It is committed to improving ordinary lives, bringing to the people more benefits and making them feel happier. Any country is entitled to such pursuit and should be free from accusations or stifling. China never said it wants to challenge or replace America's status in international arena. On the contrary, China has always upheld the principles that the two countries should respect each other, coexist in peace, and seek win-win results through collaboration in order to realize a stable, healthy, and sustainable bilateral relationship, which will only bring benefits rather than harm to the US. The two countries should seek win-win results through positive competition, propel the world's development through joint efforts as two major countries, and avoid harm to both caused by malign competition.